¿Qué voz más linda tienes?
Ay, gracias,
Oh, hi, Rosa. Hi, Rosita.
Ay, buenos días.
Hey, Rosita, what you doing here?
Oh, I was singing. My mommy is teaching me the song Los Pollitos Dicen.
What's that?
Oh, well, it's a folk song that my mama taught me when I was little, and now I'm teaching it to Rosita.
Así vamos a cantar, mami. A ver.
Los pollitos dicen
pío, 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 cuando tienen hambre, cuando tienen frío.
¡Qué linda!
Gracias, mami. Wow, Julia, you learned that really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a super fun song. And it's so cool that you come here to sing together.
Yeah, well, it's one of my favorite things to do with my mommy.
Ay, qué linda. Ah.
That's great. Well, we come to the park to paint together.
Paint.
I'm excited to paint too, Julia.
Paint. Bye.
Oh, yeah.
Paint.
We better go.
Bye, friends.
Yeah, have fun painting together.
See, enjoy!
I just love painting in the park with both of you. It reminds me of when I came here with my mom, your grandma.
Oh, yeah. Hey, tell us that story of when you and Grandma first started painting together.
Story.
That story again?
Again.
Story.
Okay. So, your grandma used to come paint here every week. I would sit and eat a snack and watch her work.
And then one day...
And then one day, she gave me my very own paintbrush.
Paintbrush.
She loved painting so much. She wanted to teach me too. She tried to show me how to paint the squirrels that were sitting in the trees.
But it was a super windy day.
It was! And the big gust of wind came.
Whoosh!
And blew my paintbrush right out of my hand. Your grandma went to pick it up, but before she could get it, one of the squirrels crawled down from the tree.
And then, this is my favorite part.
And took the paintbrush.
And the squirrel ran to you holding the paintbrush and...
Dropped it right in front of me.
And you were like, what?
And Grandma was like,
Ha! And the squirrel sure saved the day.
Save the day.
Your grandma thought so too. And Grandma and I would come to this park every week, and she would keep teaching me how to paint. I love that she shared her love of art with me.
Just like you share it with us. I love that story so much, Mom. So I painted Grandma, giving you your first paintbrush. Look how happy you are.
I love it! And what did you paint, Julia?
Squirrel.
Oh, nice job, Julia. What did you paint, Mom?
Us.
Oh, that really looks like us.
Painting together.
Yeah, painting together and sharing stories with you. It's one of my favorite things in the world.
Whoa!
Hi!
Hey, that squirrel really likes your painting too, Mom. Yeah.
Aw.